Welcome to the second video in our series about creating comprehensive PS requirements. In the first video, we introduced the PS requirements document and its structure. Now we'll introduce the Pallets-Etc. Catering Company as we complete the document with requirements for the form the PS team will build. The client name is Pallets-Etc. Catering. Next, the PS team needs to know the Salesforce environment where this form will be generated. To find the environment name, open the Setup menu. Type company information in the search box. Here you'll find the environment name, organization name, and org ID. In our demo, our environment is named DocuMotion DemoU with the corresponding org ID. Copy the org ID to the document so the PS team can locate it. Let's continue with identifying the Salesforce environment type. Salesforce operates in two primary environments, production and sandbox. Form development typically occurs in sandbox environments, allowing for safe testing with sample data rather than actual customer information. A sandbox environment is identifiable by the gray bar across the top of the screen displaying the sandbox name. This identifier also appears in the URL. Common designations include DEV Sandbox or SIT Sandbox. Please ensure you specify whether a sandbox or production environment is being utilized. In our demonstration, a full copy sandbox serves as our development environment. Now we need to grant the PS team access to this environment. Click on the profile icon and select Settings. Type Grant Account Login Access in the Quick Find box or scroll down to find it. Grant access to the DocuMotion support team. Open the drop-down and grant access for at least a week, preferably a month. Set the login access and click Save. Indicate in the PS requirements document either the duration or expiration date. In our demo, we're granting access until April 29th. Next, provide the team with names of contact people for direct communication. For our demo, Alan Abe represents the client, Brian Bright is the business analyst who will create all the mappings for us. Claire Crowning is the QA person who will test the form. She's familiar with the requirements and will check the finished form's functionality. Good communication is key to success. Indicate your preferred platform for questions, answers, and clarifications. This platform will also handle document transfers and process documentation. You'll use it to request changes in formatting, form structure, and fields. All this must be documented for future reference. Examples include Jira or email. We recommend Jira, but any interactive communication mode will work. In Section 5 of this form and in the fifth video of this series, we'll explain how to create an effective template. Your template should incorporate branding elements, consistent formatting, necessary data fields, and conditional logic. If you're storing your template in a separate document, please reference the document name in this space. Besides the template, we recommend attaching a sample output document with demo data. This shows the expected output of our form with all fields populated. Some templates include other branding elements. In such cases, list the branding specifications here. For our demo, we're listing the logos and graphical elements that will be submitted to the PS team. Everything needed in the form must be provided to the DocuMotion team. The actual mapping of fields will be detailed in a data model. We'll cover this in video number 6. If submitted in a separate file or spreadsheet, please indicate the file name here. Thank you for watching this video. Please join us for the next chapter.